Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're seeing the VIX cash under some pressure here midday, currently right around 26. Now we did see a high of 30.82, and that's the highest level for the VIX cash in basically a month. When we did see the SPX under some selling pressure earlier in the session, now the SPX has fought back to positive territory. VIX cash under pressure. Realized volatility has certainly picked up week over week, and you can see the at-the-money straddle and the SPX being priced at about 21.5 implied volatility level. That's up from 16, so quite a significant shift there week over week. Also, the roll market between March and April futures, we're seeing that widen out about 15 cents today. It's $1.65. Futures under some pressure here, but what's really interesting is the fact that the May futures through the back month giving up some ground today, but primarily if you look at the range for those futures the last month, they're right around 29, so they're really not too far outside of that range. Even with the recent volatility, we're still seeing those VIX back month futures holding here around this 29 level. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, that's 125, so we are seeing again a bit some increased demand for VIX options, but that's coming off a print of 135 earlier in the session. So again, some demand, but a little bit less here as the market stabilized throughout the session. And looking at the activity, I want to point out March puts, 24 strike through the 20 strike, very active today. March out of the money calls, the 30-40 call spread traded about 30,000 times today. Very interesting trade, rolling up positions from March to June. The March 100-110 call spread traded 50,000 times. The March 150, June 150 call spread traded 50,000 times as well. Looking at things next week that could influence the vol structure. Stimulus moving through Congress will be significant. Bond volatility will be significant as well. Lots of Fed speak and also a lot of data points highlighted by the unemployment report at the end of the week.